gear's clear.
Nose gear clear.
Okay, handle going out and down. Okay, 1005 is all yours.
Hey, not everybody's got a test down here, so just read off what you want them to do.
Okay, it says close the main landing gear doors at the 56 panel by simultaneously pressing and holding the main landing gear door arm switch to armed and all doors open, main doors closed switch to closed until all doors are fully closed.
Copy that, in work.
Close the nose landing gear doors at the P40 panel by pressing and holding the nose doors arm switch to armed and the nose landing gear door close switch to closed so the nose doors are fully closed.
Nose gear doors are closed.
So all doors are closed at this time?
That's affirmative, and now we're going to depressurize the center system to less than 100.
Copy that.
Alright, center's off.
Okay, I got to go up with the gear handle. Are we clear for that?
Main gear's clear. Do you have a simulation of good air mode?
I do.
Main gear clear.
Nose gear's clear.
Okay, now we got to increase pressure on the hydraulic wrench until the main landing gear nose landing gear doors unlock.
Alright, coming up. What are they supposed to go between?
It says the doors should unlock about 1500.
Alrighty, here we go.
Yeah, just bring it up real slowly.
Nose doors are opening.
Holy mackerel.
Nose doors are open.